Good morning all, I am Sandra. Today I am discussing about iTwin. This is the outline of my today presentation and I will discuss about the following topics in the upcoming slide. In this presentation we discuss about what is iTwin, installation of iTwin and its working, features, advantages and disadvantages and also iTwin versus USB. iTwin is a revolutionary new file sharing and remote access device brought to you by a company called iTwin. It is an innovative technology. iTwin is a remote access device means the iTwin allows user to access a device from an offsite location. It enables user to access system where they are not physically capable to connect with them directly. It is like two ends of cable. Without a cable, it is just like two ends of a road but without a road. It is simple to use as a flash drive. iTwin was invented by Lex Anandaraman. Next, we go through details of iTwin. We understood that it is a file sharing system. It is a device that allows its user to share files from one computer to other computer without configuring any USBs or the cables. Next, it provides a simple plug and play remote file access. It means a standard for the connection of peripherals to personal computers whereby a device only needs to be connected to a computer in order to be configured to work perfectly without any action by the user. iTwin can connect any two online computers anywhere in the world. It means we can transfer files from one system to another system if they are connected through internet or it is in online. iTwin enables you to have access to any or all of your home computer's files and folders while you are on the go. If you are traveling, you are able to access all files or folders from home computers by using iTwin. You can edit files on your desktop remotely when you have access to the desktop. You can also backup files to your desktop or office desktop. iTwin capable to edit files and backup files. Next, we go through installation of iTwin. Installation of iTwin take different steps. Before iTwin can be used on any computer, iTwin software needs to be installed on it. For first time use of your iTwin device, join together the two ends of your iTwin device to form a pair and then insert the paired device into a USB port on your computer. This computer is henceforth referred to as trusted computer. If you have already paired the device, you can insert just one half of the device into any computer to start the installation process. Next step, if you do not see the splash screen with the 2 minutes, go to Start Computer. You will see iTwin mounted as a CD-ROM device. Then open iTwin Pro installer. Then double click on iTwinPro.exe. iTwin Pro is the network platform used by iTwin Connect. Then during the time that the splash screen is visible, iTwin downloads the latest version of the iTwin Connect software suitable for your computer. Then press accept and install to accept the iTwin end user license agreement and install the software on your computer. Choose install when prompted to install the device drivers. The installation will complete in a short time since the iTwin device is inserted as a pair. The pairing process begins. Next step, name the iTwin device. This step is optional. An iTwin device name will be helpful if you have multiple devices. For example, you might carry two iTwin devices when you travel. So, so that you can connect two different trusted computers, once in your home and once in your office. Next is set a password for the iTwin device. If you wish to use two-factor authentication for extra security, you can set a password. This step is also optional and is available only when the iTwin device pair is being initialized. Next step is note the disable code for your iTwin device. In case you lose one half of your iTwin device, you can prevent unauthorized access to your computer by disabling the iTwin device by entering the disable code in the iTwin remote disable web center. The installation of iTwin Connect and the pairing of your iTwin device are now completed. Then unplug one half of the device and leave the other half plugged into your trusted computer. Leave it powered on and online. Carry the unplugged half with you to be plugged into any other online computer. This half serve as your access key to a trusted computer over internet. Next, we move on working of iTwin. When you plug in iTwin, you will see a pop-up window just as you would if you connect a USB device. Then drag and drop files into this window to share as many as you want. Then leave one of the iTwin connect to the computer. Plug in the other half of the iTwin to the computer to which you want to view, edit or remove the files. Even though if you remotely edit or remove files on the second computer, files on the first computer will not be lost. This is another advantage of iTwin. Be sure that the two computers are online. Then detach one half of the iTwin and take it with you. Then you can access the shared files by plugging the half you are carrying into any online computer. Next we go through features of iTwin. Features of iTwins are it's like a limitless capacity secure USB drive. That means it allows you to securely access your entire hard drive. It as if you are carrying an access key to all your files into a device that fits in the palm of your hand. And unlike portable storage, iTwin lets your data stay safely at home, and it can edit remotely. It can remotely edit shared files. We already say that iTwin are able to edit files. It can remotely edit from any location. Next, backup your data from anywhere. That also discussed. The iTwin can back up your data when you are on the road. You can use iTwin to move copies of files from your laptop to your home or office computer. If you are traveling and taking lots of pictures, you can free up your SD card by moving files onto your laptop and traversing from back home. It keeps your data safe and secure. And one time cost, no fees ever. That means it has only one time cost needed, no other fees needed. Don't pay for cloud storage and don't pay for subscription fees for file access. Next, Windows and Mac OS X compatible. It means you can use iTwin on any of both Windows and Mac OS X platform. It works on Microsoft Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, etc. Data security. Data security's iTwin does not store any data on itself. It just enables a secure connection between two computers. iTwin is very simple and secure. Next, we go through the advantages of iTwin. In the case of network interruption, iTwin files transfer pauses. If we face a network interruption, iTwin stop the file transfer or pause the file transfer. When the internet connection is resumed, iTwin software continues the file transfer from where it is left off. If we get the internet connection, uh, then it is resumed. iTwin software continue to transfer the file or transfer the data from where it left off. iTwin progress bar indicates the amount left to be transferred. Next advantage is that if the iTwin is lost, you can easily disable it. If the password is forgotten, we can change it easily by attaching both half and set a new one. iTwin Connect is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. VPN protect you on hotel and public Wi-Fi networks. There are no limitations in terms of file size or type. Next, we go through disadvantages of iTwin. iTwin Connect is 3.5 inches long total, which means when the parts are divided, they are very easy to lose. Means the paired part is separated, then the chance is very high to lose it. When the iTwin Connect USB dongle is plugged in, it can lower down network performance. Next disadvantage is you must set up files to share in advance in order to access them. Next, iTwin versus USB. iTwin versus USB means iTwin has the price only $99 and USB has $120 per 64 GB. USB has price $120. This approximate value and iTwin access to computers entire hard drive and any attached storage. USB has 2 GB to 256 GB depending on model. USB can access 2 GB to 256 GB, and iTwin is remotely disabled. If you lose one half, you can remotely disable it. That is one advantages of iTwin. And in case of USB, if you lose the device, you lose and expose your data. USB is not safe comparatively iTwin. Data encryption of iTwin is AES 256-bit. Standard USB device don't support encryption, need additional software. In case of creation of second copy of file, you can edit remote files directly with no additional copy created in iTwin. USB leads to confusion due to multiple versions of the same file. Next, I conclude that iTwin is a fantastic solution for the home users who wishes to access and change their files remotely and securely. The iTwin is simple to use and it is inexpensive. Solve the Dropbox limitations. For those who wants to keep files up to date between two computers, the iTwin is for you. iTwin is a fantastic solution. It is secure and less expensive. Then it is simple to use. It is a fantastic solution for the home users. And if we are in traveling, it is helpful to transfer files from one system to another system. And iTwin is a innovative technology. It is good for uh, file transfer. Thank you.